So we discussed about the transition table. There is one more method to find out this transition table, that is you write the excitation table, then from the excitation table we can find out the transition table. This is the another method that we will discuss in the lecture, and after that you will go to how to write the transition table. And how to write the transition table, from the transition table we can find out the state table and state diagram. That is our final step. Now we are on step 3 is transition table. To write the transition table we have another method, that is excitation table and transition table. You draw the excitation table, then find out transition table, that we will discuss. Okay, look at here. First you need to find out present state, that is Q1, Q2, next state is J1, K1, J2, K2, and output is Z1. Okay, Q1 and Q2 is the present state, 0, 0 is the input, what is J1, K1 excitation. 0, 1 input, what is J1, K1, J2, K2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. For this input, what is J1, K1, J2, K2, and what is output for this present state, that we have to find out. That is this excitation table. So here 0, 0 is the present state. I am giving 0, 0 input. I am giving 0, 0 input. I am giving 0, 0 input. What is the excitation? Okay, that I need to find out. For 0, 0 input, for this 0, 0 input, and 0, 0 is the excitation input. 0, 0 is the present state. The 0, 0 input. What is J1, K1? We know that J1 is Y. So here J1, K1, in J1 it is 0. Why? Because Y is 0. K1 is Y plus X U2 bar. Substitute the values here. Here X is 0, Y is 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. So K1 is 0. So it is 0, 0. J1, K1 is 0, 0. What is J2, K2? You know J2 is X Q1 bar plus X bar Y Q1. Here X is 0, Y is 0. So the entire term is 0. So J2 is 0 here. What is K2? K2 is XY bar plus YQ1. Here also XY are 0 here, so this term is 0. K2 is 0 here, so it is 0, 0. Now 0, 1 input. What is J1, K1, J2, K2? For 0, 1 input, what is J1? J1 is Y. What is Y here? Y is 1, so it is 1 here. Next is K1. What is K1? Y plus XQ2 bar. What is X here? 0, so this term is 0. Here X is 0, so this term is 0. What is Y here? Y is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. That's why 1 here. So 1, 1. Now J2, K2. What is J2? X Q1 bar plus X bar Y Q1. Here X is 0, so this term is 0. Q1 is 0, so this term is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So here X, Y, 0, 1. Okay. So what is J2 here? J2 is 0. What is K? J2 0, how 0? X is 0, so this term is 0. Here Q1 is 0, this term is 0, 0, 0, 0. What is K2? K2 is X, Y bar plus Y Q1. X is 0, this term is 0. Q1 is 0, this term is 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's why it is 0, 0. Like that you have to find out the entire terms. That is the excitation table. Next is transition table. How to find out the transition table? From excitation table you have to find out the transition table. Okay. From the excitation table you have to find out the transition table. You look at the first row. The transition table, this is present state, next state, output. This is the transition table. Okay. Here first is 0, 0 is the present state. 0, 0 is the input. What is next state? Q1 plus Q2 plus. So to find out this Q1 plus Q2 plus or 0, 0 input, you have to look at this table. Okay. Here 0, 0 is the input. For 0, 0 input, this is J1. First term is J1. This is J1 and this is J2. So this is J1. First is J1 K1. First is this term is J1 K1 and this is J2 K2. Okay. So J1 K1 is 0, 0 here. For 0, 0 present state, 0, 0 input, J1 K1 is 0, 0 here. We know that for 0, 0 input, next state, this is JK flip-flop, next state, 0, 0 input, it is next state is Q only, present state, 0, 1 input, next state is 0, 1, 0 input, next state is 1, 1, 1 input, next state is complement of the present state. Okay, this you have to know. Now, look at here, 0, 0 is the present state, 0, 0 input, You have the present state is 0 0 0 0 input. What is J1 K1? J1 K1 is 0 0 here. Why? Because 0 0 input, present state is 0 0 input, J1 K1 is 0 0. What is the next state? What is next state? For 0 0 input, next state is Q only. Okay. Here the present state, Q is present state. What is the present state here? 0 0. So we can write Q1 as 0. So why? Because Q present state is 0, that present state itself is the next state. Why? Because JK has 0 0 input. So Q2 also present state. Why? Because 0 0. So 0 is the next state. Now for 0 0 present state, 0 1 input, what is the next state? Look at the table. For 0 0 present state, 0 1 input. This is 0 1. 0 1 input. What is the next state? First is J1 K1. For corresponding to Q1, you have to look at J1 K1. Corresponding to Q2, you have to look at J2 K2. Okay. For 0 1 input, 0 0 present state, what is J1 K1? It is 1 1. So what is the Q1 here? How to find out Q1 here? This first term is Q1. Second term is Q2. Okay. What is Q1? For 0 1 input, next state is 0 only. Okay. Okay. So here what is J1? So it is 0 1 input. Okay. So it is 0 1 input. Look at here. It is 0 1 input. What is J1 K1? It is 1 1. J1 K1 is 1 1 here. Okay. J1 K1 is 1 1. So you look at 1 1. For 1 1 input, previous state is complemented. So what is the previous state here? 0. So that 0 is complemented as 1 here. Okay. Clear. Now what is Q2? Look at Q2. For Q2, you have to look at J2 K2. J2 K2 is 0 0 here. Okay. For 0 1 input, J2 K2 is 0 0 here. So we have to look at 0 0. For 0 0, we know that it is present state only. So what is the present state to Q2? 0. That 0 comes here. That is for 0 1. Now what is for 1 0? For present state 0 0, 1 0 input, what is the next state? Look at this 0 0 present state, 1 0 input. What is the next state? What is the excitations? J1 K1 is 0 1. For Q1 you have to look at J1 K1. For Q2 you have to look at J2 K2. For J1 K1 it is 0 1. So 0 1 means it is a reset state. That means see 0 1 is a reset state, 0 state. So for Q1, whatever it may be, Q1 will be 0 only. Okay. Now what is Q2? For Q2 you have to look at this table. 0 1, 0 0 is the present state, 1 0 is the input. For Q2 you have to look at J2 K2. J2 K2 is 1 1. So what is 1 1? 1 1 means present state is complemented. For 1 1, what is the present state here? 0. That 0 is complemented here. That is 1. That 0 is complemented here. That's why it is 1. Now look at 1 1. 1 1 means for 1 1, J1 K1 is 1 1. J2 K2 1 0. J1 K1 1 1 means previous state is complemented. That is previous state is 0 here. That 0 is complemented as 1. So Q1 is 1. What is Q2? For Q2, it is J2 K2 is 1 0. So 1 0 means it is a set state. 1 0 means it is a set state. It is 1 only. Okay. So for present state is Q2 0. So next state is 1. Why? Because 1 0 state is given. Okay, 1 0 state is given. Why? Because here the J2 K2 is 1 0. So for 1 0, next state is set state. That means here present state Q2 is 0. So it should be set to 1. So it is 1 here. Like that you have to fill up this table. This is the alternative method for filling the transition, writing the transition table. After transition table, you have to write the state table. This is the step 4. Fourth step is state table. How to write the state table? How to write the state table? You have the states. Let state 0 0 as state A, 0 1 as state B, 1 0 state C, 1 1 state D. Like that you have to write. So present state, next state, output. Next state we have input X Y. What is the next state for this input? That is the meaning of this column. Okay. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 are the input. Present state is A. 0 0 input, what is the next state, like that. Okay, so you don't have to worry about writing this table. You already written the transition table. Okay, you have to just put 0 0 as A, 1 0 as B, like that you have to put. So 0 0 it is A, 1 0 1 B, 1 0 C, 1 1 D, 0 0 A, this is 0 1, that is B, 1 0 C, 1 1 D, like that you have to write. Okay, so here it is A, B, C, D, like that you can fill up the table, fill up the transition table. This is actually the transition table. These states 0 0 1 0 states you can put A, B, C, D, like that. What are the states? 0 0 A, 0 1 B, 1 0 C, 1 1 D, again 1 0 C, 1 1 D, like that. So that is C, D, B, A, like that you can fill up the entire states. Now the state diagram. From the state table you have to write the state diagram. So what is the first state? A is the first state. Okay, so here A is the first state. What is the output? 0. It is a Moore circuit, so you have to write the output within the circle. So A bar 0 1 0 1 is the output. From state A, okay, from state A, 0 0 is the input. What is the next state? 0 0 present state, 0 0 input. What is the next state? That is from state A, 0 0 you are giving. What is the next state? A only. So for A, 0 0 input A only. For the state A, you are giving 0 1 input, next state is C. For A, you are giving 0 1 input C. For state A, you are giving 0 1 input. State A, 0 1 input, next state is C. That is for state A, you are giving this 0 1 input, it will be changed to state C. And state C having output 1 1. So state C is 1 1. First you have to write out the state A, B, C, D, like that state within the circle, and after that, that output also you have to write. For A it is 0 1, B it is 0 0, C it is 1 1, D it is 1 0. That means A 0 1, B 0 0, D 0 1, C 1 1, like that. You fill out this all these things, then you can write the transition by looking at the transition table. Now 0 0 is the present state. A is the present state, 1 0 input, what is the next state? B. A is the present state, 1 0 input, next state is B. A is the present state, 1 1 input, next state is D. So A is the present state, you are giving 1 1, you are giving 1 1 input, it will move on to D, like that you have to write. You have to completely fill up the state table to, you have to map the state table to this transition state diagram. Okay. So A state is completed. Now you have to write the B state like this way. So B is the present state, 0 0 input. B is the present state, 0 0 input, it will be in B only. See, B only. Now B is the present state, you are giving 0 1 input, next state is D. B is the present state, you are giving 0 1 input, it will be move on to D. Like that you have to fill up. You have to completely map this transition table, this state table into state diagram. So this is the complete analysis of this Moore network clocked synchronous sequential circuit.